Brand new.
Say I'm proud of you. You're gonna have bumps and obstacles along the way. Just learn from your mistakes and keep going.
Hey y'all, welcome to Styles by Honey. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tap that bell so you don't miss any notifications. And if you're a returning subscriber, you already know you lit. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you all the easiest way to make a closure wig. And I'm going to be using some hair that I got from a company called LeMisse on Amazon. Big shout out to the LeMisse store for sending me this straight human hair bundles, 12, 14, and 16 inch bundles and a 10 inch free part closure. And it is $55.49. Now, I ain't gonna lie, when I got this hair, I was pleasantly surprised at the packaging. It was very well packaged, very, very neat. The bundles came in their own package, the closure came in its own package. As you saw in the beginning of the video, it came with a stocking cap and lashes. It has a little thank you card and with the hair care tips and another little thank you note. Now the closure is a medium brown Swiss lace, so it's recommended for anybody like around my skin tone or darker, and it is not pre-plucked, so I'm definitely going to have to pluck it. And the bundles that came, they were really, really soft. I was really impressed with how soft they were. I had no shedding, and it smelled like shampoo kind of. I don't know, it didn't smell like the regular pack hair smell. Really soft bundles. Now I'm gonna go ahead and bleach the knots on a lace closure using 30 volume developer, and this is how it turned out. And I went ahead and plucked the hairline, and then this is how that turned out. Now, the first thing I wanna let y'all know, I was in a rush trying to get this video done, so if you decide to make a wig like this, do not put the cap down before placing a plastic bag down or some wrap or something down. You don't want to just put the straight cap onto the mannequin head and then glue it on, okay? Okay, so I sewed on the lace closure just because I wanted to sew it on, and then I went ahead and grabbed my glue gun. And that's pretty much the only thing that I'll be using besides the scissor and this wig cap and the hair. Now the look that I'm going for with this wig is like a middle part, full but natural layered look. I think I'm gonna cut some more layers into it. I'm not sure yet. Stay tuned for the install video. But I just know that I want it to be full and I want it to be as long as possible. So I'm going to start with a 16-inch bundle. Well, I've started with the 16-inch bundle, and then I'm going to do the 14-inch bundle, and then the 12-inch bundle, and then there's the 10-inch closure. So if you're a beginner, usually the closure or the whatever lace you're using, closure frontal, is the shortest length of all of the hairs, the pieces of hair that you're going to be using. So if you have a 12-inch frontal or a 12-inch closure, your bundles will usually be either 14, 16, 18 or 12, 14, 16. Usually if you were going for a bob look, you would put the shortest length to the bottom and a longest length to the top, but I'm not doing that, so yeah. Alright, so if you were following how I was laying down the 16-inch tracks, they were usually longer tracks, wrapping from ear to ear, or what would be ear to ear. And you see I'm extending them and I'm curving them up to meet about 3 centimeters away from the closure. I don't know if that's 3 centimeters, but you can see that little bit of space, okay? I'm doing that so basically when I'm wearing the wig, when it blows back, it doesn't show the tracks, it'll just show hair. Once I reach about halfway, I start cutting shorter tracks I would believe that I was on like the 14-inch by then, and I was filling the middle part. All of these tracks are now going to align with the lace closure. And you know, these are some really thick bundles because I was filling these tracks really close together, and I still had some hair left over. So I'm gonna let y'all know how I really feel about it in the install video, because then I'm gonna style it and put it on and, you know, really get into it. And then I'll probably do an update video too, but I'm definitely gonna be doing an install video, and it's gonna be posted this week, so stay tuned. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button right now, and don't forget to tap that bell so you don't miss any notifications when I post a new video. Okay? Okay. Back to the video. Now, if you're using a glue gun, you're gonna have to move really fast because this glue dries really fast, okay? Some of these tracks I had to go over a couple of times, but if you're using bonding glue, yeah, you're gonna have to move fast too. And if you're sewing, yeah, more power to you, because I just did not have time today. Now I'm reaching the end of the wig, finally meeting the bundles up with the closure, and you can see I'm laying it down really close and really neat so that everything lines up flat once I get to the closure. Now, I'm not gluing them as close as I was in the middle and the back, but they are still pretty close. I'm making sure that these tracks are as flat as possible because you do not want to have a lump around that area that the closure ends. It's really tacky. Learned that from experience, y'all. So make sure it's very flat right here. Okay? Okay. Alright, so now I got my high comb plug up, and I'm gonna take all of the hair along the edge of the closure, and we're gonna press it down to blend with the hair in the bundles so that it won't be a lump. This is how you get the closure hair to blend flat as possible in a wig. Like, you gotta get your pressing comb, sis. That's the only way. Like, that is the only way. I ain't seen nobody do it no other way. This is the only way. You need a pressing comb, sis. And before I press it, I did put some blackberries beeswax and some heat protectant on the hair. So that's why it looked a little bit shiny. But yeah, look, nice, right? Nice. Alright, y'all, so that's the end of this video. This wig literally took less than an hour. I only used a few tools. I have not flat ironed it yet or anything, put anything else on the hair. It is humid, so it looks a little bit poofy or whatever. But this is some really soft hair, y'all. All the products and the tools that I used to create this wig and a link to this hair will be in my description box below, so go ahead and check that out. Another big shout out to LeMisse on Amazon for sending me this hair, and a big shout out to you for supporting Styles by Honey. I love you so much. Mwah.
Me I beg you, me beg I dem Father, make me see the haters a come more. Please guide me Jehovah, Father protect your soul. Can't stop me 'cause me heart too clean. Can't kill me 'cause me heart too clean. Because me heart too clean.